Take a ride in the 2013 Suburban 1500. The Chevy Suburban 1500 hauls more passengers and cargo than anything in its segment, a fact not overlooked by those who need such convenience or capability, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, navigation system, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, cruise control, heated steering wheel, fog lamps, compass. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.